Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your "is my iPhone listening to me" problem and how you can turn this off. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, go to settings, and we will be here in this section. Then you have to go to the settings of privacy and security. Then from this section, what you need to do is simply need to go to tracking. And what you need to do is simply go ahead, turn this off, allow apps to request to track. Once you do that, every single time you have a new app installed or the app existing, none of the app will be tracking your or tracking you. One thing you can do, the next thing you can do is you can go to this option of microphone, and then you're gonna simply toggle off the microphone that does not need your information, right? Does not require your microphone to be turned on. That's what you can do. And the next thing you can do is you can simply go to this Apple advertising and make sure you have turned off the personalized ads. That way you will be able to solve the listening or tracking problem that you're having on your iPhone, and that should work it out. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.